show you how a truck has to negotiate the curves on a tight roads. Yeah, for you to know and to allow a poor guy with a big vehicle to take those curves. Let's see if I'm going to find the space to park. Because I guess you know.
Take exit 119 on the right to US 20 East, then take the first right.
Walmart is busy today with truckers, so another 4 trucks I could see from the edge of the motorway. So I have a green light.
Take the ramp ahead, then exit right.
So you see that this curve also, I took it wide for my trailer not to hit the sidewalk. So now this is one of the exciting things. When this guy is coming so close, I have to go wide. And I'm not hitting the curve, but I was going wide. And that guy with the red car,
Turn left at the stop sign,
appreciate
then
that
take the
he
second left.
offered me some space. And now this right, I'll have to take it like from both of the lanes. Because I'm going here. It's a 4-way stop. I have to go. Oh no. Come on. I can't take the curve with him there. So now, why do I prefer to take it a little wider than maybe I have to. Just
Turn left on Houston Circle,
Be able
then
to
take the
take
first
it.
left.
not to hit anything. So and now I have to stop somewhere beside this truck.
Turn left on Houston Circle, then take the second left.
Tight, it's full with trucks. Let's see if I'm going to park just here on the edge of the road.
At the end of the street, turn left.
There are plenty of trucks. Sorry about the word.
Head north.
Stay here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Houston Circle.
Today is busy at Walmart. Today is Saturday. Why it's so busy? Huh? What to say? This guy, the last one that he
Head
came,
east toward I-15
he
Business
could
Loop
give
North.
me a little more. He could go much closer to the other truck, but he doesn't care about another guy that's coming and park here. He doesn't care how another guy is going to park. So I'm going to go inside, do some shoppings, some groceries and something, and that's it. Take care.